Students, welcome back to my channel. In previous video, we discussed DLL insertion program. Now in this video, we are going to discuss DLL deletion program. For this, the operation, how to perform deletion operation, we discussed with an example in previous videos. You please check that video if you have not seen. But I will give you simply overview of that deletion operation problematically. For example, this is double linked list. For example, this is a head node and this is a PTR. Now I want to delete this node, make this node as a temp node, and like this. Okay, so then remember free of temp. Like this, we will do deletion operation in double linked list. Now, we will move on to coding. See, we already created double linked list. Now, I am taking that one. DLL, save as DLL underscore del.c. Okay, so now, so in this insertion operation we have done, I am removing that. Why? Because we are doing deletion operation now, so that's why I removed insertion operation. So in main also we are removing that. Then in double linked list, not only next node, head of, previous, also null. You can combine these two statements, no problem. Suppose you can write like this: head of next equal to head of previous equal to null. You can write like this also instead of writing two statements. Okay. HEAD. Now coming to deletion operation, we will write a deletion operation here. So void deletion, which element you want to delete? LE. Now temp node we have to declare, na? So struct node star temp. Every time PTR we have to move to head node. So head node. Now how to delete a node in double linked list? See, first here I want to delete this 10 node, for example. Here it is 20. Delete of 10 I want to do. Then first 10 and 20 are compared. Both are not equal. So move pointer to the next node. Then compare 10 and 10. Both are equal. Like that, first we have to compare with the data partition. If both are equal, then you make that node as temp node. If both are not equal, move pointer to the next node. Okay, so now coming to the program. Now, so while PTR of next not equal to null, you have to repeat the process until last node. So that's why while PTR of next not equal to null. So we have to compare with the data partition now. If PTR of next of data equal to element. What does it mean? Element is present in the list. Okay. So then if the element is present in the list, then we have to delete the node. Then how can we do? Temp equal to PTR of next. Then we have to change the pointers. So PTR of next equal to PTR of next equal to temp of next. Then temp of next previous equal to PTR. Then we have to free the memory for temp node. See how I have written this one. If you observe this one. See, this is our PTR, na? This is temp node, na? So this is temps next. This is temp of next. Okay, this is PTR. So PTR of next equal to, see how we will write, PTR of next equal to, or how to refer this node, this is nothing but temps next. So temp of next. Then in this partition we have to store PTR. So how can you refer this one? This partition. How to refer this partition? Temp of next of previous. Temp of next of previous. Temp of next of previous equal to PTR. So this we are removing now. Then for this node, previous node is PTR. That's what here we have written. Okay. Now coming to the program. Now if both are not equal, then what we are doing? Simply we are moving pointer to the next node. PTR equal to PTR of next. Now close this. Now if PTR of, you moved until end of the list and you reach to last position, then that element is not present now. Deletion is not possible. The element is not present. Deletion is not possible. Okay, like that we are performing deletion operation. So now in main function we have to call deletion function. Then only we can check whether it is performed correctly or not. So call the function del of, for example, 20 I want to delete, and I have to display /n. After deletion the DLL is, call the function display. That's it. Save your program, compile, no errors, execute. Now some clumsy, it is showing like a clumsy output. For each and every one, first we will write a new line. Okay, so now here we have displayed 10, 20, 30 will be displayed. After that delete of 20 we are displaying. Then /n, for example. Now, compile, execute. The elements present in DLL are 10, 20, 30. See what we are getting. The element is not present. Deletion is not possible. We are getting. After that 20 is deleted and the elements present in DLL are, like that we are getting. So, but we should not get both the possibilities now. So we will check that. Yeah. Here what happened? This one. So PTR here, this we have removed. Suppose this is the case. This is head node 10, 20, for example 30. Okay, we want to delete some 15 which is not present. Okay, so now for this is PTR, PTR of next not equal to null, PTR of next not equal to null. So PTR is moved to the next node. PTR of next of data 10 or 15 are compared, both are not equal, moved pointer to the next node. Again PTR of next not equal to null, PTR of next of data equal to no, so move pointer to the next node. PTR of next not equal to null, 30, 15, 30, 15 are compared, both are not equal, then move pointer to the next node. Again PTR of next, you reach to null, then PTRs are next. If it is equal to null, element is not present in the list. Like that we will do. So now we will check that one once. Coming to the program, Alt tab. Now PTR of, for example, PTR of next, shall we check like this? See, element present in DLL 10, no 20, 30. After deletion, the DLL is 20 is deleted, so 10, no 30 are displayed. So that's all. Double linked list deletion operation. See once how we have written. See, we are checking. We have to do all this process until last node. Na? So until last node. If both are equal, then change the pointers. Otherwise, move pointer to the next node. Like that we have deleted. After deletion, just we have to call display function. Then only we can see whether that node is deleted or not. Okay. Hope you understand. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. So, but don't forget, before going to see this program execution, see my previous video, double linked list deletion operation with an example. See that video and then see this program implementation. Hope you understand. If you have any doubts, you can post me in comment box. Okay students, thank you. If you like this video, please share to your friends and subscribe the video. Have a great day. Bye.